its AA, RRR framework. In my days, when I first joined a social networking app, I had no idea about what the hell is this. And I think that was the biggest mistake. I wish someone had told me. And the biggest misconception that we do is if you're starting a new company with someone, if you're not tracking mid-level metrics, if you're only tracking upper funnel metrics, for an example, user comes to the Play Store, they install, you are tracking installs, you are tracking signups, and if you're only chasing that, trust me, you are falling into an absolute rabbit hole that leads to nowhere. Everyone in 2021 knows that DAUs and MAUs are good to say, but those are still vanity metrics. It doesn't make any sense if retention is broken. And we know if you put all the product managers and marketing guys in one room, and if you ask everyone, if you ask all of the folks that, hey, just take a pledge and tell where you're working, are you actually solving retention? Half of the people will say that, hey, no, our retention is broken, because that's what the reality is. And that's why I feel that it is extremely important to design this funnel from day one, track this funnel week on week. So what happens is when you start designing this funnel, you will see your acquisition to an activation percentage week on week, month on month. How is it changing? And if you start tracking it down, and if you do this exercise for, let's say, 2 months or 3 months, you will get a reality picture that where is the bucket leaking. Maybe you will get a real picture that, hey, my acquisition to activation conversion is pretty low. Then I might ask my product person to do a better job in beach kapart. Or you might ask the performance marketer to say that, hey, maybe you are not getting quality leads. So this becomes extremely important to track.